Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a clean with me and an organization video of my refrigerator. It is in desperate need of some cleaning and organizing. I have old stuff in there. It is starting to stink. I've never let it go this long like this, but I wanted to save it for a video, and so I went to Target and the grocery store and got some stuff for the week. So I decided, why not just go ahead and clean it out, deep clean it, and put all the groceries. Okay, so I thought I would show y'all the before. I am gonna wipe my fridge down after I'm done with everything. But this is, so the top half is my fridge and then the bottom is my freezer. So I just wanted to show y'all what's all in here. I don't even know, honestly, what's all in here. And I wish y'all could smell. It smells so bad, and my fridge has never stunk this bad. So I have no clue what it was. I know that like 2 weeks ago, I had some chicken down here and it had spilled because we had a leak and chicken juice got in there, but I cleaned that up. So I don't know what else is stinking. So I'm gonna take everything out and deep clean it and try to get that smell out. I don't know what it is, and it's bothering us so bad. Anyways, I just wanted to show y'all what was in here, like all this stuff. I don't even know what's in there. I know I have some old stuff. So that is my fridge. I got some things from Target to put in here to kind of help me organize a little bit. Okay, so I am just taking everything out of the bags. We actually went to the grocery store this day, so I decided to go ahead and just set everything out, kind of organize it already, and that way I can just put it back into the fridge. Taking everything out of the fridge and going through stuff and throwing out everything that was bad or we just weren't using anymore. Believe how much stuff we had in this fridge that was old or that we just haven't used. I used one time, like sauces, and then I never used them again. So it was definitely time to clean this out. hope this gives y'all some motivation. I honestly would just love for my videos to just give y'all some type of motivation, and whether y'all clean along with me or you just want to watch before you do it, I hope that I can give y'all the motivation that y'all need.
Roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like...
So now I am taking all of these shelves out of the refrigerator, and I am going to scrub the shelves and inside where everything has dropped. I haven't cleaned this since I've had this, so it's almost been 2 years that we moved into this house, so it was definitely needed.
Something good.
Also, my cleaning solution that I am cleaning with is the one that I always clean with. It's my Thieves solution from Young Living, and I always have that link down below.
Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Something good.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal?
So these are the shelves, the top shelf right there. I don't even know what was on that. It was so disgusting. So these were in deep need of some scrubbing.
Annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So I was trying to get under the glass. This is why you see Austin coming in to help me. He got out his tools to see if we could get under the glass because it was all sticky. Gunk had gotten under there, but we could not figure out how to get the glass off. So I finally just told him to just forget it and we will deal with it later. It wasn't a big deal. I was just trying to really deep clean them, but obviously it was a little more than I expected.
Like everything's gone, everything that we could have been, but
taking all the shelves off the side of the fridge and deep cleaning those. I actually was cleaning them in the sink with soap and water, and then I wiped down the actual side of the refrigerator.
To leave me chasing you on and on, but I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been, but I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my
could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability. Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean.
Now that the fridge is all cleaned out, I took everything out as you saw, and then I seriously deep cleaned. Like, this up here was disgusting, and it was so gross, and the smell is already gone, so I know it was something within down there, I think, and I used my solution on there and cleaned it up. So now I'm going to put all my organizing stuff in here and put all the food back here.
Hey, do you remember 20-something years ago? Those cold nights in December, and the sound of the falling snow, the fireplace warming us, the VHS movie box, your old broke down touring bus, and not a single cloud in the sky. If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could play back, rewind, I wouldn't think twice. A pair of jeans and a dusty shirt, we didn't have a dime. No, you and me were poor as dirt, all we had was time. Hey, do you remember sneaking it out in the night? Me playing the Fender and you singing, oh, it's alright. Beating hearts full of lust, shiny stars over us, just a dream guiding us, and not a single cloud in the sky. If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could play back my life, I wouldn't think twice. A pair of jeans and a dusty shirt, we didn't have a dime.
So this is the after of the fridge. I think it looks so good. So I'm just gonna take y'all around and tell you what I did. So down here I did the coffee creamers and then Austin's chocolate syrup. And this is all the dressing. This is all of Jack's vitamins that he takes. And then I also have a little thing in here from Young Living that I put in my Ninja Red. And then I have my jade roller down there too that I use. And then this is the butter. And then we'll go to this side. This is the milk and the whipping cream. I usually will have like almond milk, but I haven't been drinking much milk lately. This is mainly for Austin with his cereal and stuff, so I didn't buy any. And then this is my thing's going off because I've had the refrigerator open so long. These are kind of like marinades, dressing. I wouldn't call it dressing, I guess marinade almost. And then I put like the garlic, and this is, I don't know what these are. Oh, sun-dried tomatoes. up there. And then I did switch this. In the video you saw that I had this right here, but I switched and moved the butter up here. And then this is the cream cheese. And let's go down here. So I'm not gonna say this is fruits and veggies because I still have lettuce over here, but the majority of this right here is veggies. I think these are all veggies. And I try to separate them, but most of my fruits right now I have in my Thieves fruit and veggie wash because I needed to wash them. So I'll probably move those over here. Sometimes I mix it together. Honestly, it doesn't matter. Because we have a leak over here, I don't normally put veggies in here. Veggies or fruits in the bottom unless they're like this in a container because the water will get into it. I have heard, my mother told me that she knows a lot of people that have these, and these refrigerators, the Samsung, and they leak on exactly this one. So I guess it's just a refrigerator, but I've only had this one for 1.5 years, so I don't want to get rid of it yet. But anyways, that's all my fruits, my veggies. And then over here, I just added what I couldn't fit in there. I try not to get this all the way up because that's when you start having stuff on the bottom that you don't even know what's down there, and then it goes bad. So I try to keep that as light as I can. On the very bottom shelf, I have all of our Trulies and our White Claws. We have really been into the Trulies and White Claws because we honestly are not alcoholics whatsoever. And so I've been really enjoying these because it's something a little different. Also, I'm trying sparkling water. You can see all the sparkling water right here. I'm trying to get into it to replace my Dr. Peppers. That's why we only have this little bitty Dr. Peppers in here, because I'm trying to cut out Dr. Peppers. I don't know if I'll ever completely cut them out, but I'm going to say that I will try. So I'm trying sparkling water. I like to take them out. I think they look so much prettier when they're set out and you can see them and they're all organized. I think it looks 10 times better. And then I had the cookies I bought today. So these organizers, that one and that one, I got from Target. I believe they were $8, honestly. I will link them below. I think that is a great price point for Target and for anywhere, honestly. And I will definitely be getting more. I actually got the rest of them, which was only 2. And they didn't have any other sizes or anything. So once they get back in stock, I will definitely be going to get more, especially when Jack, I do that quite often. Does anyone else do that? But especially when Jack starts eating and I want to have snacks in here and stuff, I would like to put snacks down here eye level where he can see them and grab them if he needed to. So I just put these, what did I put in here? Biscuits and then cream cheese back there. The cream cheese is for a recipe I have, and then I always like to keep biscuits and crescent rolls for mornings that we don't want to cook. And this right here, I'm just gonna leave for when I put leftover things into containers. If y'all have seen my other video, I have raved about these. They are from Amazon. I will link them below too. They are awesome. I love them so much, and they are glass. That's the best part of it. And then my eggs, I didn't really know where to put the Pedialyte. We haven't used that in a long time, but I like to keep Pedialyte on hand just in case, because you never know. This is my other container. I put all yogurt in there. So down here you can see this is Jack's yogurt, and then you can see my yogurt. Then in here, this can go either way. If you saw the before, it was over here, but I changed it. I wanted it in the middle. I think it looks kind of cool. I'll probably switch it. I decided to put my deli meat and the cheese. We eat sandwiches around here a lot, especially at lunch, because if you are a mom, you know that you do not have time to eat half the time. Here I did put meat. I will section these off and freeze it. I always freeze my meat, and then the rest of them I'll probably cook within a day or two. Behind that is, you can't really see, behind there is my body bloom from Sarah's Day. If y'all follow me on Instagram, you know that I rave about her body bloom. I love it so much. And this is pickles. We are pickle lovers. If you know me in real life, in person, you know that I am a pickle fanatic. I love pickles. I've always loved pickles. And then I just put salsa and honey butter. I didn't really know where to put this, so I just put it right there. We'll go through it real quick, especially salsa. We eat chips and salsa all the time. And if y'all do not know about the honey butter from Sam's, you need to go get it right now. It tastes exactly like the Texas Roadhouse butter that they have for their rolls. And then I put his apple juice right here, and then I put the syrups back there. I don't eat syrup a lot. I'm just not a big syrup fan, but I like to have it on hand. That is all what I have in my fridge, and it looks so much better. I am so happy with how good it came out. Okay, y'all, this is my before and after. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope this gave y'all motivation. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.